so let me show you how easy it is to add one of these in here. We're just going to get our media here and make our in and out points. As you can see up here, this is 8 seconds in length. So we'll just bring this down. We're going to right click on it, new Fusion clip. And now we're going to jump into Fusion. And then once we're in Fusion, we're going to click on the effects library, templates, video display, and then the pack. And we're just going to connect it up. And then right over here, change this to 8 seconds. And on the left side here, we're going to open up position 1 or start position. And now we can use these controls to change where the camera is going to start. And then we can come down to the other end, which is the endpoint, and we can move where the camera ends at. So something like that.